What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video with your friends. Just a quick little update if you guys care or not, but I'm vlogging off a new camera. I got the new Canon G7X Mark III, and it's like a silver color, so it looks kind of like retro style. I'll put a picture of it here. But I also wanted to say, if you guys are trying to start your YouTube career and need a vlogging camera or video camera, I'm selling my previous camera. This is the G7X Mark II. So right now I have the Mark III, but this is the Mark II, which is still a very good camera. A lot of vloggers use this one. It's a really good camera to go to. It fits in your pocket. It's easy. The autofocus is good. The quality, the sound, everything is good. So if you guys are interested, I'm selling it. It comes with the charger. It comes with the battery, all that stuff. And yeah, so hit me up if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's continue the video and let's roll. Alright, so right now we're on our way to DTM Fiberworks. This dude's got a portable fucking table eating his Taco Bell.
Play blackjack, bro.
Bro, you are hilarious, man. Got myself a water.
This is the future right here.
Yeah, that's the future, honestly.
Mastermind, bro.
Hey, so I heard you're doing a special on headlights, right?
Oh, I'm sorry, what was it?
You're doing a special on headlights, right?
Yeah, bro.
E9X?
E9X and non-M and M.
So E92 M3 and 335, 328s and all that stuff.
Exactly. E93s.
What's the
E90s.
style of the headlights you guys are doing?
We're doing basically an OEM plus. It consists of full round halo, full LED, black housing, gloss or satin, totally up to you. We do recommend satin because, you know,
yeah,
it, in our opinion, it looks pretty dope. It also comes with a 90-day warranty for seal, so you'll know right away if it leaks or doesn't leak. But we like to go ahead and make sure that the light does not leak.
Yeah.
So we keep the car for 24 hours. It's our recommendation. You don't have to, but if not, worst case scenario, you do the QC yourself. It leaks, you still have 90 days to come back. You know.
So how does it work if somebody wants headlights? They got to leave a deposit, or what is it? How does it work?
The way we do it is you leave a $100 deposit. What that does is locks in your appointment and locks in your spot. Because we do it minimum amount of headlights. You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Not, it wouldn't make sense. But it definitely benefits you guys and it benefits us.
Everybody
to work on your cars. You know what I mean?
Cool. So it comes with rings. It comes with black housing. Nice. And they can do striped corners like mine, or they can do the non-striped.
Exactly.
So they could do like Lime Rock setup, or they could do Fighting Nick setup.
Exactly.
You're a hater. Shut up. And yeah, you see, yeah, drop your tacos and everything. I'll step on them.
I'm gonna follow you, bro.
I'm just kidding.
I'm unsubscribed.
No, so okay, so that's cool. So guys, if you want headlights,
Hit us up.
hit them up at Mastermind. And yep. So we just got here.
It looks like Megan.
No way.
It's wrapped. This used to actually be one of our friends' brother's car, E92 M3. This is a sick color. I think there's like an individual like that, like a signal green. This looks really good though. So they got a carbon fiber roof. This for the E9X?
E9X. Yeah.
That's crazy.
They have everything pre-cut out, so you can just drill it and cut it.
They got a bunch of stuff in here. All right, so I'm at my crib. Carlos is picking me up. The homie with the Mozzie pulls up. So we're gonna go get some dinner. Where are we going? What do you guys want? Oh, they did his wheels gloss back, but he's got to clean them.
I know.
So guys, I don't know if you remember my friend Carlos. He had the messed up bumper and he got it fixed finally. And they had the wheels powder coated, but he needs a wash. And head to Rodeo Drive.
Dang.
get some food. What up, Freddie? Alright, so let's go eat, guys. What do you guys want?
I don't know, whatever, bro.
Feels good to be back in the F80. This car has so much power and torque. Holy shit. Feels good. You miss your F80, bro? I know you don't want to be on the camera, but F80 like. Ooh, versus the Mozzie. He's gonna launch it. Oh my god, bro. F80 versus Maserati.
What up? Look at him, we pump him up,
Launch control. Oh my god. Ah! Dude, this car's, dude, the torque. Holy shit. Alright, your boy is behind the steering wheel. We are in the 2017 F80 M3 Compact. Got an Alcantara steering wheel, which feels really, really good. This car has a lot of power. Oh my gosh. Let's hear the downshifts. M3 life. Dude, this car like jerks you back and forth. How much power this car has. Alright guys, what's good, KG fam? So it is currently the next day, Sunday morning, tired as hell, early, cold. We are going for the Malibu AutoBahn Pumpkin run. It should be fun. I'm meeting up with Two-Face, the Mastermind's team, whatever, and a bunch of others because they put up like an Instagram caravan, so it should be a lot of cars coming. I hope it is, so I can vlog that for you guys. We're gonna get to Malibu AutoBahn, check out all the sick cars that are there. It's supposed to be like a Halloween theme, so a lot of the cars are being like dressed up. Owners are being dressed up. I didn't dress up. My car don't really gotta do much. It's already orange and black. It's like a Halloween theme. I guess we can call it like a pumpkin or something. But yeah, guys, should be fun. I'll vlog the caravan for you guys. I'll vlog everything, guys. So let's hit the road. So we're at the gas station. M3s. We got a lot of Beamers. My twin in a 1 Series. Black and orange theme. See, we're dressed up. We don't got to do anything to the cars. Let's see what's up with Mario. Bro, there's somebody at your house with an E92. Oh. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What up, bro? Damn.
I like the sweater.
Thanks. I like your shirt, bro.
Oh my god. Wow. Where'd you get this?
H&M.
No.
How are you not cold?
Damn! Right on, bro. You
Oh shit.
Little gas station takeover. Look at this frozen black. Damn, this looks so good. And it looks like it's like wrapped satin black, but it's crazy because it's actual paint. Like this is an actual paint job. Frozen black edition. These are very rare. Frozen white, frozen blue, frozen red, frozen silver, I believe they even did. These are all very rare. And this looks really, really good. Chris made it? Nice, bro. What's good?
So him, he came all the way from OC.
Where?
OC.
Where's that? Oh, fuck, man. All these people came far. Mario's car's like wet from the roof. What up, Schlo? M4CS. What the hell? He's got a B on there. Damn, this M4CS looks so good. Just show you guys the walk around. Okay, these taillights are very expensive. They're like $10,000 taillights, I think. Super expensive for the OLEDs. It's crazy. What the hell? This guy came from Maryland? Holy shit. Alright guys, we're on our way. Look at the lineup of cars we got. Bro, we got a good little caravan going. Yep. We got the homie Chris right behind us, chilling. You know what I love, guys? Is that I'm the leader of the pack. Everybody gotta follow Lime Rock. Oh, you know what this means. Oh. Alright, so we're here on PCH. I'm just waiting for everybody to pull up. They got stuck at the light. I think that's them coming. Yep, it is them coming. So look, I bet you anything, Two-Face, he wants to pass me. He wants to be the leader. Look. Let's ask him real quick. Hey! You wanna be the leader? Look at this drive. God damn, that's so nice. Hey! Bro, the view's nice. Oh my god. Hey, is that your costume? Alright, so there's like a really big ass line to get in. It goes all the way over there. Oh my god, we're gonna be here forever. Alright, so we finessed our good little parking spot right here next to the homie. We're gonna check out some of these cars that are here. And they're supposed to be like choosing like who had the best, I guess, wrap or costume or whatever. Hopefully I win. Bro, we were mobbing it on the freeway, bro.
Everybody was saying hi to you, huh?
Of course, dog. When they see me, they're like, damn, this guy's sexy, bro. Look at this GTR, but look at the wheels. Holy shit, bro. No way, dude. That's crazy.
Yeah, as if the world. He didn't want.
This lid lasted not even like a day, I think. And she cracked it.
Well, this Camaro was texting me and you
so it's like a prototype, so she was like speeding or whatever, and the wind freaking cracked it. That sucks.
But you won.
Damn. And we got the homie Nick's car, of course, looking clean as always. F90 M5, the new G series. So this car talks. Say something.
All over the world, and I can honestly say that Flo's V8 Cafe serves the best quart of oil anywhere.
Bro, that's so sick. Look at the plate. Tezilla.
Piston Cup.
Hey, show Billy.
Oh, look at this livery, bro. Hey, Mario, look at the livery on this one.
Have I mentioned that I love your garage?
Bro, that's badass. That's crazy.
Huracan. Put a mastermind. See? BMW.
That's gold. Nah, they would have taken that.
Yeah.
Look at the wheel.
Bro, this is badass. No.
Too much? Since it's headlight.
Yeah.
I think everybody's rolling out, low key.
We exited for the drive. It's Lime Rock M3.
Damn, this one's hard as fuck. There's so many cars. M6. We got the vet crew right here. Bro, the way that thing sounds. Rev it, rev it. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. What if there's a cop behind you, bro, and the cop is just listening to that?
Damn, look at this one.
Stroller. Hey, hey, look. Oh my god, that's funny, bro. That's so cool.
Oh, you got mask.
And the car moves too.
It looks like I'm at Disneyland.
That's so cool. Looks like everybody's rolling out. I feel like we're gonna be here forever, bro. The thumbnail? How the hell does a bee land on your fucking sweater, bro? Oh, it's, oh my god. It's like humping you, bro.
Bro, get it on.
So we're gonna try to take some pictures, attempt to take some pictures because we want that background back there. We're gonna see, try to get closer, yeah, get closer, that way everybody can fit. All right, so this is the current situation here. So one car will just come here, boom, 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 boom. You guys get the idea. Photos will be at the end of the video, so make sure you guys are watching to the end. All right, so we're here at this location. We moved, we were over there and we came over here. It's a sick view. I think this might be the thumbnail actually, but all the cars look so sick. We've got a variety of cars. We got coupes, we got sedans. Actually, we only got one sedan and the rest are all coupes. But comment down below, which one would you take right now? Frozen black individual, my twin orange, an E90, E92 M3, M4 CS. Comment down below, which one would you guys take? We're gonna go get some lunch, we're gonna go get some sushi and eat, and that's how we're gonna finish off this vlog. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. Wait until the end so you guys can see the photos. Let's go get something to eat though. About to get some food, some sushi with the homies, and then we're gonna probably call it a day. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Always comment, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Comment down below what was your favorite car to show. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.